How to retrieve your Telegram account without phone number. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can retrieve or log into your Telegram account without phone number. Now, in case you don't have your number that you registered to Telegram and now you want to retrieve your account, well, it is possible if you have an active session. Now, active session means if your account is logged in anywhere. That is, if you're logged in on your PC or your browser on your phone or the application itself. Now, suppose you're logged in, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and head into Telegram login page. In my case, I'm logged in, but there it'll ask you to enter in your phone number, right? You want to simply enter in your phone number, and then you'll send a verification code. There on the screen you'll find send SMS on the Telegram, so you can choose the option to choose send it to Telegram, and you want to simply open up where your Telegram is logged in. If it is on PC, you want to open it up on PC. If it is on your browser on your phone, you want to head onto your browser, or if it is on the app, you want to open up the app, and you'll get this Telegram option here. You can see, right? So Telegram chat, you'll be able to get the login code there. In my case, you can see I've got so many login codes here, so you can get the login codes here instead of the phone number, and you'll be able to log in there. So this way you can retrieve your Telegram account without phone number. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.